Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. So guys, we are still in the village series. I hope you're enjoying these videos. Comment down below, let me know what you think about my village videos. Let me know what you want me to do on my next video. So guys, in today's video we are going to start from scratch. So what I'm doing here, I'm preparing maize so that I can take it to the posho mill, you guys, and I'm going to tag you along. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. We arrived at the posho mill. We were the only people at the posho mill because it was around 12 noon. So he had to start the posho mill for us alone. So you guys, this is the whole procedure on how we get the flour from the posho mill. I hope you have seen. Comment down below, let me know, do you have such a kind of posho mill in your village? Let me know in the comment section. Back from the posho mill, now let's cook our meal. The kids are going to help to cook. We normally add a little bit of flour to accelerate the boiling of water. Comment down below, let me know, do you add that or do you do that in your village? Let me know in the comment section. I normally see this mostly in my village. The water is ready. We go ahead and start cooking our ugali. food is ready, we go ahead and serve. We're going to serve it in 2 different plates because one is going to the farm and another one is going to remain at home for people at home to eat. So guys, you're going to see me on my next video taking food to the farm. So guys, stay tuned.